Hi YouTube, I'm Aiman, and welcome back to one of my auto repair videos. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the handbrake lever in the 2003-2007 Honda Accord. So let's get to it. Now the first thing you need to do is to remove the center console. Now to make this video short, we're not going to do it in this video, so I have another separate video on how to remove the center console, so go check that out first. But getting started, there's a cable right here that we need to disconnect, and I guess that you just pull it out because it doesn't look like there's any buttons, so you just pull it out because there's no like clamps to take out. Now after that, there are a few bolts that we need to take out. One here, I think they're number 12. Let me get my Milwaukee, our trusty Milwaukee, number 12. Just make sure it's number 12 first. All right. Now we're gonna, oh, there's an adapter on it. Now we're gonna take it out. Alright, so it's a bit strong. Maybe we'll have to end up using the impact driver. That's alright. Alright, so like I said, if it's a bit too strong, you're gonna have to use an impact driver, which is alright since we have one right here. Jeez. Metal on metal. Alright, so it looks like this one is rusted, and even this one, which you could use to take out the lug nuts of a tire, it will not work. So we have to use the big guns. This is like, I think around 700 to 100 foot-pounds, or even more. 1,000, I mean. So hopefully this works. And I do apologize to my neighbors, because this is going to make a lot of really bad noise. Wait, I have to make sure. Okay, it's a good idea to always check. Make sure it's going in the right direction, and cover your ears. Oh. What the? Huh? It's rusted, we broke it. Okay, that was not intended. But we can set that aside for now. If you are trying to replace it, make sure you get a new one if you do break it. This one should be able to take it out, but now this is what it's supposed to look like when it's complete. And the next step is, what we're going to do next is right here. This is I think it's called the brake lines, and so when you pull on the handbrake, I can't really pull on it actually, can I? When you pull on it's a bit hard to show because it's disattached, but when you pull on it, it's supposed to bring tension to the brake pads, which are on the tire, and when you pull it, it's going to cause the brake pads to clasp in. Now, in order to release these, you're going to see that there's a little cutout that you can loop these wires through, and just take it out. Now on this side, just turn it, take out the wires, and there you go. The handbrake lever. I'm Aiman, and I just showed you how to remove the handbrake lever from a 2003-2007 Honda Accord. Now, actually, it did seem kind of simple to do this. It only took like 10 minutes, so except for removing that. But seems pretty simple to me, so it shouldn't take you more than 20 minutes. So I'm Aiman. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, look at videos on Aiman, especially taking apart the car videos, because as you can see, we are definitely dismantling this car. And I'll see you there. Alright, signing out. Peace.